Oh! Oh!
Nu crezi că ești un pic cam obrazec?
Most beautiful G4. Today we are going to help a friend to bleed his brakes on the Kukirin G4. And you may be asking, wait, what? Bleed his brakes on the G4? Yep, that's right. He has hydraulic brakes on his G4. I bet he has the most beautiful G4 in this world. So I'm really excited to see it. He's so cute. They don't like my helmet. They're so cute. Oh. Oh man, just arrived! Let's go! Man, just look at them! Two G4s, one next to each other. Simple G4 right there, and G4 Max. There is not such a huge difference in terms of size. I mean, obviously the G4 Max is bigger. Bro, just look at that paint job! Wow! The blue fits perfect. He even painted the disc brakes. This is the most beautiful G4 in the world right here. Imagine making this G4 dual motor. We just gathered all these tools. We need to bleed his brakes. So he installed nut brakes on his G4. He just needs some bleeding. So the way he's bleeding his brakes is from the bottom up. And now apply some oil in the syringe. Damn, this is quite a process, not gonna lie. We just forgot to take down the brake pads, but okay, he's just going to push that syringe. Okay, he's pushing. He's pushing. Oh, wait. Okay, that's enough. Okay, the situation just got so oily. We've got no napkins. The way I do it is to simply put that cup right there on the lever and just squeeze it 100 times and that's it. He chose the dirty way. We are watching a master at work. But lucky me, I've got this. Oh my god. Jesus, man. Putting back the screws, and that should be it, hopefully. This is the most custom G4 I ever saw in my life. Except the dual motors one that already exists. But he's going to do a dual motor version of this scooter, so... I guess that's it. We should definitely clean it. Just look at his scooter, man. He's got a fade scooter. That's so cool. What's up? Can I try it? This is the most simplistic scooter I ever seen in my life. Yo, this is actually so nice. Zero suspensions, but it feels kinda solid. Oh, I'm not going to try it again. Thanks, dude. Do you wanna try the G4 Max? He's doing it. No way. 40 kilograms, kid. He's vibing. He got used to it. The scooter is heavier than him. The scooter weighs 64 kilograms and he weighs 40. But he enjoys the suspension a lot. He's just jumping again and again. How do you like it?
10.
10. Okay. Which one looks better? This one or this one? Okay, he's got the point. This is the most beautiful scooter in the world. Yo, big W for this guy. Okay, so he's going to try the G4. Let's see if he still knows how to wheelie. Bro, he's a demon on that G4. He kinda remembers how to wheelie. Yo, actually, nah, he still knows how to wheelie. I see the bleeding an absolute success, I guess. Yo, that's the coolest parrot in the world! Oh my god, dude. No way, that's so big! No. Okay, so he was just presenting the issues he had with the G4 and he just had a rage because he discovered more problems. Apparently the 3 screws for the front disc, they are not enough. You have to Loctite them. Other than that, if you're trying to wheel a lot with the G4, he said that the front suspension is going to break. Another thing he mentioned is that you better upgrade your brakes to hydraulic ones. Obviously, if you know how to do that. If you're a simple user, maybe don't do that. Simply because he's using the G4 in an extreme way, that's causing his scooter to have a lot of problems. If you're a simple user, you may not have any of those problems. Just keep that in mind. I know people that are using this scooter for 1 or 2 years and they still have no problems, but they're not jumping, they're not wheeling, they're not doing anything extreme. If you want to do extreme wheelies and stunts and all that, maybe the G4 is not the best option for you. Anyway, let's roll. At least his G4 is still working. That's the most important thing. Yo, he's going so fast. I can barely keep up with him. Whoa. Bro, he's wild. We are gonna meet with the other people, with more surrounds and all that. I'm so heavy, and he's still so fast on the G4. I mean, just look at him. He's doing wheelies like crazy. Dude, this is the wildest guy on the G4 I ever seen in my life. I can barely keep up with him. Just look at him. He's drifting all over the place. Let's go on street. Dude, this guy is so fast. He's already going 70 kilometers an hour. He's warming up his hands at the disc brake. Green light, green light, green light. He just did a little burnout right there. So if you weigh like 60 kilograms, I think you can do whatever he's doing. Wow. That requires some serious amount of skill. We are going between those cars. If somebody's opening his door, we are cooked. This is a nice day. It's still kinda cold. There are only 10 degrees outside. What is this guy doing? Okay. Yo! Everything in this video is dangerous. Don't do this. Dude, this guy is continuously drifting. I mean, wow. We've got 3 surrounds. Let's go. You might be wondering, why am I always going out with the G4 Max? Well, the G4 Max is the only scooter I have that can keep up with the surrounds and other powerful bikes. What's up? We've got the other boys. What's up? I've got honked by a bus. Look at this guy. He's vibing. And just look at him. This is so fun. I'm going to do more and more videos with them. I bet most of you guys enjoy this kind of ride-outs. No way he wheelied that speed bump. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't wait to learn how to wheelie, actually. What is this trail right here? Yo, can I handle this trail? Oh, yo, no way. I actually did. Well, that was kind of fun. Ooh. Ooh, we've got some off-road right here. Ooh. That was bumpy. Yo. That's what I'm saying. They're wheeling every day. Yo, that dog is massive. Yo. Bro, this place is so wild. This is simply the best place to be if you have a surround. He's got a new motor and now he's getting way more range out of it. That's crazy. Apparently new motor gets you more range. I have no idea how that works. Yo, this guy is angry.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Bro, this guy is so funny. I've got him on camera. Yo! He almost entered that pit. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. Everybody's doing wheelies. I really hope your day is at least this exciting. Now that I have the Discord group, I am going to organize a huge ride out because I want all of you guys in the same spot. They're gonna leave. That was fun though. Nice kiss right there. Yo, they're on low battery and now we are going slow. I still have half a battery though. They're vibing. Porsche. Nice Porsche. Yo, what's wrong with this guy? Yo, he's getting kinda cold outside. Let's go home. Another day, another story. This day was sick actually. Going out with friends is so nice. Today is Sunday, basically the day you are seeing this video. Man, somehow I've got a cold and I don't feel so well. And that sucks. I'm sorry because this video is kinda short. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.